all of you. Today's gate question is, the switch S1 was closed and S2 was open for a long time. At t is equal to 0, switch S1 is opened and S2 is closed simultaneously. The value of IC of 0 plus in amperes is how much? This is a circuit given, and in this switch S1 was closed and S2 was open for a long time. This is switch S1 which is closed for a long time, and this is switch S2 which is open for long time. Okay, you have to find the value of IC of 0 plus. What is actually IC? This is the capacitor C and the current through the capacitor is IC. You have to find IC of 0 plus, means when the switch S1 was open and S2 was closed, then you have to find the value of capacitor current IC of 0 plus. Let's see the solution. Yes, the switch S1 was closed and S2 was open for a long time, means at t equal to 0 minus. Why you are saying at t equal to 0 minus? Because at t is equal to 0, the change is happened. Switch S1 is opened and S2 is closed. Okay, but before t equal to 0 means that at t equal to 0 minus, S1 was closed and S2 was opened for long time. So at t equal to 0 minus, circuit is in steady state. Okay. So when the circuit is in steady state, your capacitor acts as open circuit and your inductor acts as short circuit. Okay. So now with these conditions, I'll redraw the circuit. Yes, your S1 is closed, your capacitor is open, inductor is short, this is your inductor is short, your capacitor is open, this is your switch S2. Yes, here is the current 1 ampere. Okay. And take this voltage across the capacitor as VC. And that to VC of 0 minus. Okay. And take this current through inductor as IL and that to IL of 0 minus. Because the capacitor is open and inductor is short. Inductor is short at t equal to 0 minus. Okay. And what is this value? 100 ohms. Yes, here S1 is closed and S2 is open. So at that time your circuit seems to be consists of 1 ampere current source, 100 ohms resistor in parallel with 25 ohm resistor. Then what is this IL of 0 minus? This is the current flowing through the resistor 100 ohms. So how to find it? Yes, IL of 0 minus is equal to the total current 1 into opposite branch resistance, that is 25 divided by total resistance 100 plus 25, that is 125. Okay, that is 1 by 5, that is 0.2 amperes. This is IL of 0 minus. What is VC of 0 minus? Means voltage across the capacitor C. See here, this IL of 0 minus is flowing through the resistor 100 ohms. If you observe, your open terminals are across this resistor. The voltage across the resistor is nothing but the voltage VC of 0 minus. What is the voltage across the resistor 100 ohms? It is 100 ohms into IL of 0 minus. Therefore, VC of 0 minus is nothing but 100 into IL of 0 minus, that is 100 into 0.2 amperes is nothing but 20 volts. These are the conditions for t equal to 0 minus. Now, when t equal to 0 plus means S1 is open and S2 is closed, and your capacitor acts as short circuit, your inductor acts as open. But this short circuited capacitor has initial voltage of 20 volts. This open circuited inductance has initial current of 0.2 amperes. That you have to remember. Okay. So now if you observe at t equal to 0 plus, as S1 is open, see here this is open. When these terminals are open, there is no effect of 1 ampere current because through the open terminals there is no current. Okay. Fine. Then the capacitor acts as short, but it has a voltage of 20 volts, and your inductor acts as open, but it has a current of 0.2 amperes, and S2 is closed, so 100 ohms resistor is also acts as short. So for this t equal to 0 plus, if I draw the circuit is like this. Okay, so this is open, so there is no 1 ampere, but here the capacitor is shorted. First the capacitor is shorted, but the capacitor has initial voltage of 20 volts, and this is your capacitor, shorted capacitor. Okay, and then your 100 ohms resistor is shorted because S2 is closed, so you have only inductor that also open, but inductor has initial current of 0.2 amperes. Okay, but your inductor is open. This is open terminal which represents the inductance, and then you have 25 ohm resistor here, 25 ohm resistor. Okay, so what is this? This current is your 0.2 amperes is nothing but IL of 0 minus, remember. And this is VC of 0 minus. So these are considered as initial voltage and initial current of the capacitor and inductor respectively. Okay. So now, now this 20 volts is the voltage across this parallel combination. Okay, means what is the voltage across 25 ohm resistor is 20 volts only. So what is the current flowing through this 25 ohm resistor is nothing but 20 by 25. Okay, so how much it is? 0.8 amperes. So this side you are getting 0.8 amperes, and from this side you are getting 0.2 amperes. Okay, now yes, as this is a short circuited capacitor, now you have to call the current through that short circuited capacitor as IC of 0 plus. Okay, so now from this side you are getting IC of 0 plus, and from this side it is 0.2 amperes, from this side 0.8 amperes are coming. So if you apply KCL here, yes, IC of 0 plus 0.2 amperes plus 0.8 amperes is equal to 0. Therefore, what is IC of 0 plus? It is minus 1 ampere. So your value of IC plus in amperes is minus 1 ampere.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.